So what does it look like to go in and buy, renovate, and then list and start collecting all the money on Airbnb with a cabin in Central California? I'm gonna show you that right now in this video. But what I wanna tell you, just to give you a little bit of context, is that we bought this in December 2021. So as this releases here in 2022, late 2022, there was a lot of stuff that went into it, and we ended up, with a married life and moving in a new house and everything. It's been a while since we actually filmed this to be putting it up right now, but I just wanted to give you some context so that you can see, like I mentioned, Gracie's my fiance, she's now my wife, and the ways that we were talking about rates and everything is much different today. It's crazy how much things change over less than a year, but I wanted to give you that context. And also, this is from start to finish. It's a longer video, it's right around 15 minutes, so if you want to skip ahead at all, we have chapters listed down below. There's 4 different parts. Go ahead and have fun with that. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. So pretty cool backstory on this one. Last Saturday?
Yep.
Yeah, last Saturday, my realtor, also known as my fiance, here to my right.
Hi.
Said, hey, we have a bass property that is live. Literally, we've been telling everyone, you can say it, we've been telling everyone we're looking for a bass property.
It's what you put out there comes to fruition, but if you don't speak it into existence, it may not happen.
So we said, let's go take a look at it. 2-2. We were like, not excited about a 2-2, but the agent said, well, the laundry room could be turned into another room. And so we went, checked it out, put in an offer, and what would you say, like 2 days later, we had it accepted?
Yeah.
And then we had another one at the same time. You want to take over that part of the story?
Well, it ends up being that the more options, the better. We saw 3 properties that day that we were up at Bass Lake. 2 of them happened to be of interest, submitted offers on both, and both, in this market, let me say, got accepted. We were now with an opportunity to pick from the 2 properties. So I think we did a great choice going with Marina View. And at this point, we didn't even know the gold mine that we were stepping on. I think Kyle will share more once we get to the property, but you're gonna see what we're talking about here. In all seriousness, it's a wonderful property. I think after renovations, it's gonna be, what would you say, babe? A dream cabin.
Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll show you the big surprise when we get there.
Stay tuned, follow along.
All right, awesome. This place is so cool. So first of all, this one right here, this is the one that we manage right now on Airbnb. It's a 5-3. In 8.5 months, with cleaning fees included, it's done $94,000. This one is gonna be, when we're all said and done, a 4-2. And so we're expecting it to do right around the same. But the surprise is actually what we just passed. I'll go ahead and show you guys that a little bit later. But we're gonna walk in. I've already got my crew here. I've got the flooring guy here. We're just getting all of our inspections in today so that we can come up. Unfortunately, the realtor's been kind of a pain in the butt. She wants us here, and it's an hour drive. So we just had to bring everyone up at the same time and spend a couple hours here with all of our inspectors. Thank you, Papa Bob, for the cabin. Thank you for this unbelievable view. Right out here on the deck, there is Bass Lake for you. Pretty simple. We want to paint all walls, right, babe?
Uh-huh.
Cabinets, are we going to do the navy blue like what
Yep,
Liz was
the
saying?
idea is we're gonna transform this into a lake house cabin. So we're gonna contrast all other cabinets by making the island a blue and then going lighter on our granite
Are we going to do granite tops? I thought we were going to do butcher block.
butcher block.
Yeah.
Is
Do
what
you
I
guys
heard.
do butcher block?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cabinets all the same, but can we add knobs on all of them? New appliances.
New light fixtures throughout, so ceiling fan and dining.
And you're going to buy all those, right?
Yeah, I'll
so
get those
this
for you.
time we'll get all of them. Yeah.
Okay.
I would say faucets for
Okay.
the kitchen as well as the bath, and I'll get that and the shower heads and all that will
Okay.
be brought in by us.
Okay, so this is the interesting room over here. First, we want to take out the pocket door and turn it into a barn door. We want to demo. Yeah, go ahead. We want to demo everything except for this. This is going to be our closet, and then demoing all of the other cabinets. So this will be a room. We want to move. Baby,
Laundry?
yeah.
Outside?
Can I see the key? Yeah. Keep this in mind. We either want to move the laundry
I think for convenience of space, it might be good to do stackables out here.
Stackable and create like a structure around it with a door.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'd like a quote for either that or when we get down to the garage, taking a look to see if we can do laundry in there. Unless it's a big price difference, I think this is going to be the preferred, just so people don't have to go downstairs.
Well, I'm just thinking, as the mother, I would hate to have to bring the kids' clothing down and then piles back up of laundry.
100%.
So convenience, this would be it.
Maybe we want to move this down to the garage.
Yeah, it's a good size.
Just to have one in there.
Yeah.
You'll see what we're talking about when we go in the garage.
Okay.
It's freaking crazy. Demoing both of these. And then you guys understand we want you to go ahead and just purchase and find sizes that are best for that.
Okay.
I was actually hoping we would keep this one. Why
Don't listen to me.
Can we get rid of this guy? There is no need for this in this house.
Yeah. Do we want to?
And that doorbell over there, what's that to?
Good eye. It's the garbage disposal.
Is it really?
No. No, yeah. Just remove that.
You can get rid of both couches
So the only thing we're keeping down here is going to be the dining table, right?
and the
babe?
refrigerator.
Dining table, refrigerator, and
the
those
chairs.
2 chairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
On we go, second floor.
This, from here over, we want to know if we can demo that.
Oh.
Open this up, make it feel a little bit bigger.
Closet.
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
And then whatever space is left, just leave it open as open shelving.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Right, babe? Is that what we said? So this bathroom, eliminating this, keeping everything the same in
Except-
terms of the structure of it. But
Bringing it up the
Yeah.
shower heads
Oh,
because
okay.
I'm only 5'2" and I'm having to do this.
maybe even, I mean, I'm not that tall either, and that's pretty short, so maybe moving both
okay.
up to right here and retiling the whole
Okay.
thing. Babe, you'll send them the
Yeah.
type of tile
Yep.
that you like?
Do you want to keep that same height of step?
No.
No.
Removing,
Blow it out.
removing the
Okay,
step,
okay.
yeah.
Question, with this vanity, is there a chance that I can get a second seat or no because
Oh, we can put that. Oh.
Better put this on.
they're drawers,
Yeah.
so that's the only concern.
I think we have to. Oh no! Here's what we were gonna do. We were gonna demo this whole thing, and then like we did at Oak Drive, double vanity.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
good. Okay.
So why don't we do that? So
Yeah.
Put it on the schedule. I guess.
yeah.
Were you gonna
two-
do how you did it over there, like 2 separate ones?
I think we should just duplicate that exact one. Can I
Okay,
show
okay.
you what that looks like?
I'd like to see it. I don't think I'm a fan of separating them like that in a master. I could see this in a guest bath.
So you don't want double vanities. You just want one big vanity.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
think it looks classier in a master than splitting them up. Like this is perfect in a Jack and Jill, where you kind of don't want your brother next to you.
yeah, this isn't the master bathroom, so it makes sense
Yeah.
for that one.
single-
One vanity. Yeah.
Yeah.
Two sinks.
Yep.
New mirror, new light fixture,
Yeah.
and then obviously demoing this guy as well.
Okay.
So we'll keep yeah, I'll trim this
Okay.
wood color.
Yeah.
All ceilings the same. Need any answers from me? Okay, cool.
How you feeling, Kyle?
I'm feeling good.
What are we thinking?
I'm thinking this is gonna be a pimp looking cabin by the end of it. Grandpa's cabin turned into, I don't know, cool cabin, whatever you want to say. So new vanity, you think?
Okay.
Babe, new mirror as well?
I don't mind that mirror. I think it ties in with the light box.
Okay, is
If
it
we're
gonna match?
keeping the light box.
If we have a new vanity though, is that gonna match?
I don't know what type of vanity is being brought in.
Well, I mean, do you want a new vanity here?
I don't need one.
Yeah.
It sits low, but if this is gonna be for kids anyway,
How much would it
might be
be?
a good thing that it sits low for the kids.
How much would it be to paint this versus just getting a new one?
If we just change the faucet on there, it'll give it a different look altogether.
After painting and changing faucets and everything though, I mean, vanities are pretty cheap. So,
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we might save a couple $100 if we just paint, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I say we get a new one just to match the new look of everything.
Yeah, I mean, as long as, since we're keeping the trim on the windows, we would want to make sure that it ties in with that whole cabin look. Yeah, if we're gonna upgrade this guy, we'll want to
Yeah.
change that.
Okay.
If we're just gonna paint, then I'd paint both.
Okay. And then demo this.
Yes, for sure.
We're just gonna have curtains right
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And new faucets.
Shower faucet.
Yeah.
Oh okay.
So we got into contract on this place and we didn't even know how to get into the garage because they didn't have this key here for this garage. So we bought it $627. All we knew about it was that we could turn that into a 3.2. Then we came and looked at it with our partners the other day And we said, hey, I wonder if we can get in the garage. This is a new key. Check it out. Freaking gold mine. Well, you remember that little 2-car garage that you converted? Yeah. So the boat will be gone. The owner is gonna get the boat.
Okay.
Anything else that's left behind?
This is the vision. What we would like to do is somehow convert this area into a bar area where we would have hanging pendants and then be able to put up some bottles.
And
yeah.
Put a door on this. Yeah.
Okay, that's not exciting, so you tell me that.
Countertop. Bring the countertop out to here, so we have 3 bar stools right here. Finish all the walls, paint. If we can add recessed lighting there, maybe 4 and 4.
At least 2 over there because that's where the beds will be. But here we would want 4 because this is gonna turn into a sleeping quarter / game room.
Okay.
Yeah. I just say 4 and 4 and make it easy.
Okay.
Yeah. And this garage, eliminating the garage and turning that into French doors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Un poco más espacio.
Espacio?
It's nice having a Spanish-speaking fiance. So today's what, November 23rd, I think. We close December 27th, so we have to patiently wait now. We get all the bids back, and yeah, then we're just gonna have to see how this thing turns out. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. And as you guys are watching this, you get to fast forward to a month like now. Here we are 4 months later, and as you can see even behind me, no longer garage door. We've got a lot of things transformed. Gracie, what is your favorite place to show them right now?
I have a few, but let's go to the first.
Okay.
Right through this door, please. And welcome to the lake bar.
So good. I mean, just like the thought of turning that into a bar, I don't think I would have ever thought of that. So
It was empty space, really, and then I was like, wait a minute. Why
Slap
not bring out a little lip and add some bar stools, and here we are.
amazing what some paint and butcher block will do for you.
Yeah, and you mentioned paint, and here's that blue again that we have upstairs on the island. It works very nicely down here as well.
And if you remember, we had a furnace behind this, still do. Ta-da. Hide that ugly thing.
Much less of an eyesore if we do this.
Still a lot left to go in here, but I just love, I mean, we're gonna have the game tables, which like, we felt like we had so much room in here, but you grab one of these cue sticks and you realize just how much room you need for this. So we had to have enough room there, we had to have enough room here, and so it becomes really tricky to kind of position all this, but
I'm excited for what this may look like in the future after we add the loft and more bedding up there. I think
that was just
incredible.
it was gonna be so expensive. It was like another $10,000, $12,000 to add a loft. We thought we could do like a little staircase up, have like a little kids almost loft area right there. But then we were like, well, then we gotta add a bathroom in here because now it really does become a legitimate room. And in order for people to go from here upstairs to the bathroom in a completely different spot,
Right.
you know, we don't want people at night going out there with possible
I'm not
rodents
letting go
and
of that
bears.
idea though. I think it's really
I
awesome.
know, but we need to make some money first. So
We will.
we got the TV
will.
going there.
Yep.
And
Connect 4 there.
That's Connect 4 there. We got the cornhole going there. Is there anything else that we're missing? I don't think so. Just need to get it a nice clean and make the bed.
The day bed and the trundle, we can sleep 2 guests comfortably downstairs, and I have a feeling the kids are not gonna wanna come upstairs.
I think this will be great for the kids. But, you know, not even just kids. I mean, we got pool and foosball, and I mean, you're gonna have your little liquor cabinet over here. So,
I know where you and I will be staying.
I love this spot. Good job, baby.
Thank you. Looks good.
All right, here we are on the 2nd floor. I think this thing looks amazing. We completely, I mean, we didn't even do a whole lot. That was the crazy
wasn't
thing.
much.
We stained all this wood, new kitchen countertops. The island looks amazing with that blue. New flooring throughout, but it's made all the difference.
I think the few things that we did do made a huge impact. Changing ripping the carpet out of here, adding this beautiful floor.
Do you remember what this looked like before?
Disgusting.
Oh,
it was
gross.
tile.
It was gross, yeah. Yeah, and the thing is, the cabinets are still the same. We just painted them.
Fresh coat of paint.
Amazing what a difference that makes. And they work really well still, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there really isn't a need to replace items if they're functional. And this worked. All it needed was really a little facelift. And I think this blue here really pops. That's actually the blue in our personal home.
I was gonna say, we learned
We
by
like it
doing
that
it.
much.
Yeah, yeah. Second home deserves just as much attention as our first
Yes.
home, right? And the view is still the same. We can't really change that.
That view, it's amazing.
All right, do you remember, this used to be the laundry room, and now it's a cozy little full bedroom.
If I can say, out of all the rooms in this house, I think this one holds a special place in my heart. It's really, really fun, and being that we're in Bass Lake, we've got the different variety of bass fish up on the wall, and I think it's important to be able to theme a room. It's really neat. You walk in and it's got a special feel, so I like to do that in the homes that we've designed, is give each room its unique feel.
I think that's what I like about all of yours, is that each room is different, and there's always that one room. Like some of them you just kind of focus on pops of color, but then there's that one room where it's like, oh, this is fun. You got the baseball room in one, we got the basketball room, and now we got a fish room.
Yeah.
I like it.
And it fits. It's the lake house.
Not much that we did here in the guest bathroom, just new vanity, and again, the stain just kind of gives it a nice little facelift.
But if you remember, what we didn't like here is the vanity was ultra low. And
Right.
so it's really nice that now we've got a standard size vanity that our guests will be able to use and enjoy. So now we're in the master. And I think what I really like about this room is, if you remember, there used to be a wall up to, I'd say a good 24 to 36 inches from where we're currently at. So by taking that back, and you'll see the closet that's on the flip side of this, it just really opened up the master's feel.
If you remember, it was a closet on this side, and then I think it extended over to here, but then we just made this part the closet. So now it's just, we got, if you come over here, you see the open shelving of this, which is all they really need. And I love how this master bath, the shower, just the whole master bath turned out, because we had the single vanity at first, now the double vanity, and this shower is bomb datey.
Yeah, it's
I love
great.
this thing.
It's a great shower.
What do you like the best about it? I like the flooring of it.
I love the tile that I went with, because it just, I don't know, it just transitions really nicely, and then it ties in with the vanity. It's got that spa feel to it, and that I like, and I think guests will like it.
Slight upgrade from the blue and white checkered.
Do you have a picture of that? Definitely insert it here.
Definitely.